My name is Akshay Mishra. Today I'm here to show you a branch of magic which is called card magic. I believe all of you must have heard about it, and by a show of hands, can I see how many of you have seen someone else perform card magic to you or to anyone else in real life? Show of hands. A lot of you. Okay, that was my show. Thank you. No. Alright, so if let's say someone was to do poetry, their idols would be, I don't know, in the modern world, I don't know too many poets, but old people like Maithili Sharan Gupta, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, they would be their idols. If someone were to sing, their idols would be Mohammed Rafi, Mukesh, Kishore Kumar. Who would a person like me consider their idol? It was a guy from Vienna, Austria. His name was Johann Nepomuk Hofzinser. Okay, I know. I tried 10 times to remember that name, and then I succeeded. And even then, you people don't know if I'm saying it correctly, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. So that guy, he was born in 1821, and he was the first person to say that card tricks are the poetry of magic, the poetry of conjuring. And he said that the most beautiful effect one person can do with a single deck of cards is to change the identity of a single card into a different card, which would look something like this. I know, nothing in this hand. Okay. Did I hear someone say once more? No, I did not. I said it. Get over it. Okay, I'll do it once more. A single card, 4 of diamonds. Goes back to the 2 of clubs. Thank you to that one person who is very excited. I cannot see, but I can hear you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. You are the guy who has hair like me? I mean, similar?
Not that much long, but yeah, I have.
Yeah. I noticed you. Thank you very much. Now, for my next trick, I want the help of one person here on a stage. Someone who would like to come on a stage, please.
No?
In person. Yes, you, please. You can come on a stage. Wait there.
Okay.
You recognize cards, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I want you to just give me the name of any card in the deck, except the joker, because I don't have jokers in here.
Okay.
There are other jokers on the stage. Hey, bad joke. Anyway, please.
Being a queen, I will say queen.
Queen of hearts, diamonds,
Hearts.
clubs, spades. Hearts.
Yes.
And your name is?
Dipti Shrivastava.
Deepti. Okay, Deepti, please join me here on the stage. Please give a good round of applause for Deepti. Deepti, I have this deck of cards in my hand, okay? And I'll show you that there is no queen on the top of the deck,
Right.
no queen on the bottom of the deck,
Right.
okay? I'll give you this deck. Hold this deck. I will stay away from that deck because people often think that magicians use sleight of hand to do something, and I don't want to do that. Your name is Deepti.
Right.
I didn't know you were going to come up. I just asked for a person. You were here. I want you to spell your name, one card for one letter. Like D for D, put one card down into my hand. D, okay.
E.
E,
E.
E,
P.
P,
T.
T.
I.
Show everyone that card. Same card?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. I don't know, who considers you the queen of their heart, but all right. Someone else from the back of the room. Anyone, please. Someone from the back of the room? No one is interested? I believe I see someone. Please. Your name?
Ankisha.
Ankisha, please stand here. A good round of applause for Ankisha, as I do for all my. Thoda idhar aa jao. Camera. Okay. Angesha, I want you to take a card. Anyone that you want. This one?
Yeah.
Take it, keep it with you somewhere, or give it to someone where I cannot see it. Okay? Do that. You will keep it? Alright. So Ankesha, now there are 52 cards in a deck. You have a card in the hand.
Yes.
Don't say it, but if I wanted you to say the name of that card, would you be able to say it? Just a yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Now look at me. Okay? This is the part of magic which people call mind reading, and the current term is mentalism for that. You might have heard of it. Okay? So I'll try to figure out what card you have using my mental powers. You know, yes, superpowers. I don't know which superhero I would be. Mental man? I don't know. Okay, look at me. Think of the color of that card. Okay? Got it. Think of the suit of your card. The pictures that are there on the... You are smiling. I think your card looks a bit similar to the card she picked.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Think of the value of that card, whatever number is written on that.
Okay.
Yes. You said yes on number because I think you have a number card. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So I think, don't say yes or no. Okay. I think she has a red card. I think, and she didn't say yes, but the nodding helps. So anyway, I think she has a red card, a heart. I'm not sure about the number. Okay, so I want you to count the numbers from 2 to 10. Say it out loud. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Once again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Stop. I think it is between 2 and 7.
Yeah.
It is, right? Okay. Once more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Once more.
2, 3, 4.
Stop right there. It is between 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Close your eyes. I think the value of her card is this. Okay? Keep your eyes closed. I think the value of her card is this. Now, turn that way in a loud and clear voice. Tell the audience what is the value of your card.
3.
3 of. Thank you. Thank you. 3 of hearts. Now, the trick isn't over yet. In the very beginning, I put one up here, right? And every one of you saw it. I made sure you saw it by taking that extra time to adjust it so that nobody misses it. It has been there. You could have taken any card from the deck, right? You took the 3 of hearts. Hold this. Inside here, I have a piece of paper. I want to show you first.
Oh.
A piece of paper that says 3 of hearts. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat. Thank you so much. Do we have time for one more? Do we? I am asking the audience. I am not asking the organizers. You decide. Do we have time for one more? Yes. Okay. Someone else to help me. Anyone? I want to try something very, very new. Someone else to help me. You can be seated where you are. It doesn't matter. Just stand up. Means you can be where you are. All right. I cannot even see your face. Okay. Yes. What is your name? Utkarshini. Utkarshini, I want you to give me the name of any card in this deck. Any card.
Heart.
Heart. Okay, heart. What of heart? Heart is a suit. What of heart? Give me a value. Like, don't say the Queen of Hearts because she said the Queen of Hearts. Where is the Queen of Hearts? It is right here. Don't say the Queen. Say anything else. Say it. Say it, Utkarshini. We are waiting, Utkarshini.
6.
6 of hearts, you said.
Yeah.
6 of hearts. Give me, let's say, give me a number between 1 and 20.
18.
18.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
1 and 20.
What? Yes. No. Are you sure about the number 18? I am sure that it's between 1 and 20. You don't have to worry about that. But you are sure about 18. And you are sure about the 6 of hearts. The deck of cards in my hand. Now, I will not do anything to that deck of cards. It will stay in my hand. Come out and come to the stage, please. Here. Utkarshini, so pleased to meet you. Hold this deck of cards. Before I show you that that card is exactly at the 18th position, and I know you believe me, some of the people don't, I want to tell you that this is the only card trick in the world which happens without the performer doing anything. Doesn't do anything, just asks for the name of a card and the name of a number. And the card you said the 5 of hearts.
6 of 5. Yes.
Looks like I fucked up. Alright, so this happens. We will try. We will try. So this card trick happens without me ever going near the deck of cards. Alright? Take one card at a time. Drop it on the floor, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, stop. Dekho. I am switching my performance language just because I am not sure. अगर ये तुम्हारा कार्ड नहीं हुआ, ठीक है? It's you who is responsible, not me. Alright, don't fret.
Okay.
15, it was there?
Yes.
16, 17, 18, just a second. 18. God, Allah, Jesus.
6.
6 of hearts. Say.
Oh my God.
Show it to them. Show it to them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you so much, my dear audience. It has been a pleasure. Thank you. And have a good evening.